Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, where we talk phones, plans, and everything wireless. If you like staying updated on budget devices and carrier deals, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. AT&T just released the Motivate Pro 2 5G, a prepaid phone that can be yours for $39.99 when you activate a new line with a plan of at least $30 per month. Taxes and the first month's service are due at checkout. Specs-wise, it has a 6.75-inch HD Plus display, a 50-megapixel main camera with a 2-megapixel depth sensor, an 8-megapixel front camera, and 5,000 mAh battery. Storage is 128 gigabytes, plenty for apps, photos, and videos. The processor is budget-friendly, perfect for calls, messaging, social media, and light apps. Gaming and heavy multitasking may feel slow. The HD Plus display isn't as sharp as higher-end phones, and the camera performs best in good lighting. Pros: budget 5G phone, large screen, big battery, generous storage, simple clean design. Cons: limited performance, basic cameras, must activate a new line for the deal. Overall, the Motivate Pro 2 5G is ideal for first phones, backup devices, or anyone on a tight budget. It offers 5G connectivity, decent cameras, and all-day battery at a very low cost. Outro. So would you grab this phone or hold out for another option in AT&T's prepaid lineup? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one.